Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. So it's your science class. Dear students, in our previous class we have started the unit number 1. Today we are going to discuss about different sources of plants. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss about plants as sources of food. So I have a video for you. Please watch this video.
Arman and Ginger are having breakfast. Arzu is having a bowl of porridge. Arman is eating cornflakes. And they will be eating fruit salad too. Ginger is having fresh bread soaked in milk. Porridge is made of broken wheat. Arzu has added milk and sugar to it. Bread is made from flour. Cornflakes are made from corn. Wheat, corn, flour and sugar are all plant products. But we get milk from cows. A lot of our food comes from plants.
जी, हमने देखा है कि डिफरेंट फूड हम लेते हैं, उसमें से कुछ फूड ऐसे हैं जो हमें प्लांट सोर्सेज से मिलते हैं, कुछ फूड ऐसे हैं जो हमें प्लांट सोर्सेज से नहीं बल्कि एनिमल सोर्सेज से मिलते हैं। तो हमने सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड को दो डिवीजन्स इसकी की हुई है। नंबर 1 प्लांट सोर्सेज, जिसमें आपको नज़र आ रहा है नीचे स्पाइसेस, वेजिटेबल, शुगर, कुकिंग ऑयल, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, ये सब आपके प्लांट सोर्सेज हैं। और एनिमल सोर्सेज कौन से हैं? मिल्क, मीट, एग एंड हनी। तो हमारा जो फोकस होगा आज के इस लेसन का, that will be on plant sources. We will be discussing different type of sources, that means the different type of parts of plant that we get from the plant and that we take in our food. Next, move to the next slide. अब हमने देखना है कि प्लांट्स के जो सोर्सेज हैं फूड के हमारे डाइट में, वो कौन कौन से हैं। तो इसके लिए हम एक वीडियो देखते हैं। बिफोर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, इंस्ट्रक्शंस वही हैं कि प्लीज़ टेक योर पेन्स, प्लीज़ टेक योर नोटबुक्स एंड राइट डाउन द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। जैसे ही वीडियो ख़त्म होगी तो आप उन पॉइंट्स के बारे में कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो लेट्स वॉच द वीडियो।
Do we all need same kind of food? No, all living things need different kinds of food depending on their habitat and environment in which they live. There are mainly two types of food based on where it came from. They are plant sources of food and animal sources of food. Plant sources of food. Food sources obtained from plants are called plant sources of food. They contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and fibers. Plants are the main producers of food for all the other organisms. If plants get disappear, then all the organisms will die due to lack of food. Edible parts of plants. These are the parts that are eaten as food. They are fruits, stems, seeds, flowers, leaves and roots.
So students, in our video we have seen that different parts of the plants are sources of food for living organisms. We eat fruits, stems, seeds, flower and leaves and roots of different plants. And there are around 2000 plant species which are cultivated for food. How many species are cultivated? 2000 species are cultivated for foods. Now students, let us see how we eat fruit, stems, seed, flower and leaves.
eaten as food. Example: carrots, radish, etc. Roots of these plants enlarged to store energy in the form of carbohydrates.
So students, have you eaten the vegetable shown in the picture? Yes, this is root, and large amount of carbohydrate are stored in the root. So the tuberous root or storage root is enlarged to function as storage organ.
Stems. These are the vegetables with stems eaten as food. Example: garlic, ginger, onion, potato, etc. Some of these vegetables found underground but are considered as stem vegetables because they grow in underground stems. In some plants, flowers eaten as food. Example: moringa or drumstick flowers, chamomile flowers, rose flowers, etc. Banana flowers are consumed as vegetables in most part of our country. Pulses. Edible seeds of plants are called as pulses. Seeds are used for direct consumption or to produce oils. Example: peas, kidney beans, black grams, green grams, soya beans, peanuts, etc. Sprouted pulses contain more nutritional value than the normal pulses. Do you know how to prepare sprouts? Soak the pulses for 8 to 12 hours, then rinse and drain them. Edible oils are rinse and drain them for 2 to 3 days. Then sprouts are ready. Plants are the main sources of edible oil. Seeds from many plants are used to extract oil. Edible oils obtained from plants are sunflower oil, soybean oil, mustard oil, and coconut oil, etc. The oil seeds are crushed and the oil is extracted. Fruits. Humans and many animals have become dependent on fruits as a source of food. Fruits can be eaten both fresh, as jams, and used in preparing beverages also. There are mainly two types of fruits. They are fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Fleshy fruits have plenty of edible flesh. So, fruits like apple, orange, cherry, apricot, plum, etc. are called as fleshy fruits. Certain vegetables such as tomatoes, eggplant, brinjal, beans, cucumber, ladyfinger, snake gourd, etc. are also fleshy fruits. Dry fruits. Dried fruit is fruit from which most of the water content has been removed either naturally or through sun drying. Example: cashew nuts and almonds.
So students, in our video we have seen the different sources of foods, stems. Many plants store carbohydrates or fats in their stems. For example, potato, garlic, cinnamon and sugarcane, etc. We have also seen the seeds, roots. Dear students, here the roots, tuberous roots that enlarged fleshy roots is enlarged to function as storage organ just like carrot and turmeric. All these parts, all these roots stores large amount of carbohydrate. Stem. Many plants store carbohydrates or fats in stem. For example, potato, garlic. These are the two examples that are related to stem. Now seeds. Seeds are the good sources of food for animals. Humans use seed-based food. Here are the two types of seeds. One is edible seeds and other is oil seeds. Edible seeds, for example, maize, wheat and rice, gandum or atta. These are your edible seeds. And oil seeds, as the name shows, these types of seeds are used to extract different types of oil. Now fruits. Fruits are a healthy source of food from plants. Here are the two examples of fruit. Orange, mango, apple, grapes are some of the fruit consumed by humans. Dear student, remember, tomato is the vegetable fruit. Animals eat the fruit to squeeze the seeds some distance away from plants. How the different seeds of fruit can disperse from one place to another place? Due to the seeds of different animals. Now the next sources of plants are sources of food from plants are vegetable. Vegetables parts that are eaten. Root vegetables. Here are the root vegetable: radish and carrot. Leaf vegetables: spinach and lettuce. These are the leaf vegetable and root vegetables. Now the stem vegetables, bamboo shoot and asparagus are the stem vegetables, and inflorescence vegetables just like broccoli. So these are the different types of vegetables that we have discussed here: stem, leaf, root and inflorescence vegetable along with their examples. Now students, I have an activity for you. After discussing the sources of plants, we are able to solve this activity. Plants store carbohydrates or dash in the stem, protein, fats. Yes, fats. Potato is an example of edible dash. Which thing? Edible stem. Yes, you are right. As roots store nutrients, they are rich source of dash. Which thing? They are rich source of energy, seeds. Yes, energy is the correct answer. The next one is sunflower is an dash seed. Edible seed, oil seed. Yes, sunflower is an oil seed. इससे हम oil extract करते हैं. Activity number 2. Give two examples of each of these parts of the plant that we eat. Provide the given words bank. Here word bank is given to you and we have to choose the words from this word bank. Dear students, this activity number 2 is for you. Select the suitable word from this bank and write in front of this, just like seed. Which is seed? Maize, mango, potato, sunflower, carrot, tomato, lettuce, pumpkin or broccoli. Select the correct answer and write the answer in front of these things. So students, this activity is for you. Complete this activity and share the picture of this activity. Now dear students, our next topic is fiber in food, dietary fibers. So dietary fibers is found in cereals, fruit and vegetables. किस किस के अंदर होता है? Cereal के अंदर, fruits के अंदर, vegetable के अंदर. For this purpose, I have a video for you. Please see this video.
Roughage. A part of the food we eat remains undigested.
Dear students, in this video, the word that is used for dietary fiber is roughage. So roughage is also used as a second word for dietary fiber.
Part is the cellulose. It is a carbohydrate which is largely present in the fruits and vegetables of our diet. This forms roughage. Roughage is important to us because cellulose provides the bulk on which the muscles of the rectum can act. It prevents constipation and ensures proper bowel movement.
फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में डाइटरी फाइबर्स या रफेज का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. डाइटरी फाइबर्स होते किसमें हैं? पहले ये देखते हैं. सीरियल.
Now students, let's know that what are dietary fibers. Dietary fibers found in cereals, fruits and vegetables. ये सीरियल्स में होते हैं, फ्रूट्स में होते हैं और वेजिटेबल्स में होते हैं. फाइबर, व्हाट इज अ फाइबर? फाइबर इज मेड अप ऑफ indigestible that cannot be digested. Indigestible means that thing which cannot be digested. Parts of plants which pass unchanged through the stomach and intestine. फाइबर्स जो होते हैं ये डाइजेस्ट नहीं होते, ये पास कर जाते हैं हमारे स्टमक और इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर से. अदर वर्ड्स, द यूज ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव फाइबर्स आर बल्क और रफेज. रोल ऑफ फाइबर इज टू कीप द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम हेल्दी, कि हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को जो है फाइबर है वो हेल्दी रखता है. सो इट इज़ द वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट and source of our life or of our food, and very important for which part? It is very important for digestive system. Okay, now dear student, let's recap the whole topic that we discussed today by watching this video.
To be eating fruit salad too. Ginger is having fresh bread. Arzu has added milk and sugar to it. Bread is made from flour. Cornflakes are made from corn. Wheat, corn, flour and sugar are all plant products. But we get milk from cows. A lot of our food comes from plants. All vegetables are plants. We eat all parts of plants as vegetables: roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. Some edible roots are sweet potato, carrot, turnip, radish, and beetroot. Some edible stems are potato, ginger, lotus stem, and water chestnut. Potato and ginger grow under the soil, but they are special stems, not roots. Some edible leaves are spinach, lettuce, methi, that is fenugreek, and cabbage. Some edible flowers are cauliflower and broccoli. Some vegetables such as carrot, beetroot, lettuce can be eaten raw. All fruits are plants. Most fruits are sweet and juicy.
Do you know that I am a fruit?
We get cereals from plants. Cereals are grains. Cereals form our main food. We make bread, roti, pulao, idli, etc. from cereals. Upma, halwa, poha and khakra are
ओके सो हमने रिकैप किया है कि इसमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं प्लांट पार्ट्स को एज अ सोर्स ऑफ फूड. अब आपका आगे आ गया होम टास्क.
So dear student, I hope that you have understood today's lecture. Here is a homework for you. Please write the answers of the following questions on your notebook, and the questions that are present on your page number 12, exercise part D, and write the question number 4. Similarly, on this page, part E, write the question number 1, 3 and 4. So students, I hope that you have understood today's lecture. If you still feel any difficulty or you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I'll answer your all queries. Dear student, complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework at school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.